sure this is not too much?
मुझे तो बढ़िया लग रहा है. This is how I've seen you in diff as well.
No, this.
हाँ. I'm like, this guy doesn't have time to breathe, but he's dressed up always nicely.
Dude, it was so cold. वहाँ पे shawl लेके.
Bro,
was
I asked
full.
2 women, how are you doing this? They were wearing skirts. I'm like, how? And मैं ऐसा 4 layer करके कर रहा हूँ. हाँ. ठीक है. So basic idea is not an interview, having a conversation. You can ask me anything. I can ask you anything. Anything, but we can have option. Editing का तो option है ही.
Editors are my best friend. How many times I'll fumble? भी देखो.
फंबल वंबल नहीं काटेंगे, रॉ है. नो प्रेशर. ठीक है, चलो. अभी बंद हुआ है वो कंस्ट्रक्शन साउंड.
Takadimi takajono takachat takadimi takajono takachat takadimi takajono takachat takadimi takajono takachat.
डन. कि और एक.
Takadimi takajono takachat takadimi takajono takachat takadimi takajono takachat takadimi takajono takachat.
ऑल राइट.
Right.
कैमरा मोड में हम आ जाते हैं. Let's leave our original persona outside. So, welcome back to Char Vichar, and today we have with us Abra. Obro. What is it? What is it?
Obro, right?
Obro,
Yes.
right? So, how many variations you have heard of your name? We'll get into who you are, but before that, the first identification,
What's
the
my
name.
Yeah, right. Obro is a very common Bengali name, and in Bengal you'll find hundreds of Obros. But again, I moved out of Bengal. I have not lived in Bengal. I was born in West Bengal, but I've lived across different cities. Every time I try and introduce myself, it's Obro is what my name is,
Yeah.
but that gets the variations. I don't know, Abra, Abra, Abra. I don't know.
All right. So, how we met is an interesting story. We'll get into that. But before that, this is one question which I've asked almost every guest, is that who you are.
Huh.
And what you do is a part of it. But let's get into who you are first. What do you think?
I'm a quintessential Bengali, fish eating, like totally love to eat, love to sleep Bengali.
Huh?
Yeah, and I happen to work in the film space. Film festivals is what I have been working with different independent filmmakers. I've been working with different film festivals in India and abroad. Yeah.
And what do you do exactly now in the film festivals?
Okay, so I started in 2014. That's when I started as a volunteer for a film festival called the Kashish Pride Film Festival. It used to be called the Kashish Mumbai International Queer Film Festival back then, and I had no idea what film festivals are back in the day. I started as a volunteer. I thought कि हाँ movies देखने मिलेगा film festival में तो, which is the biggest myth ever. When you're working, you don't get to watch anything except for running the show and running around.
Yeah.
I started as a volunteer, but then from that I ended up working with different festivals in different capacities. So I work.
Okay.
Every festival I work with, I have worked in various capacities. Started as a volunteer, then I was working at a film market as a coordinator, which is the NFDC Film Bazaar. Then recently, 2 years ago, I was working with the Dharamshala Film Festival as a festival manager.
Okay.
Which is a different kind of a role where you have to oversee everything, and making sure things are falling in place. For Kashish now, I watch films. That is another part, which is a film programmer's job to watch all the submissions, And then I also curate films for the Kala Ghoda Festival.
Yeah.
I was associated with the Mumbai Film Festival
Yes.
last year. And there were different sections. Again, a film festival is like an overarching umbrella where you have different sections.
Yeah.
I was handling 2 sections
Yeah.
there, 2 or 3.
Oh, okay. We'll backtrack a little bit.
Yeah.
Like, one realization happened when I was cribbing about no film festival selecting my films. I was like, this is like the end of the world for me. And then I was speaking to someone who doesn't belong to films, and he's like, what is a film festival? Is it like, what happens? Like, what do you do in a film festival? Like, all the other festivals, I get it. Navratri, you dance, Holi, you play with colors, etc., etc. What is a film festival? So, let's, what is it? Basically, if you have to boil it down in like, logline क्या है film festival की?
Exactly, it is a festival. So like people, you celebrate Diwali, you celebrate Navratri. Film festival celebrate films.
Yeah.
Ideally.
Ideally.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Means in a film festival you get to watch films which you usually don't get to watch anywhere else.
Yeah.
Today we have streaming platforms,
Yeah.
right? Like even when I was in college, there was no Netflix, Amazon, Movie,
Yeah.
Prime, etc. You know, the only way to watch a film earlier was maybe television, whatever is streaming on television, or going to a theater, right? But every film don't get a release.
Yeah.
Film festivals become a place where you celebrate films from all over the world,
Yeah.
languages you've never even heard about, different or from different parts of the world, and also different parts of India. There's so many films that are being made in regional languages and dialects, like
Yeah.
the Sherdukpen in Arunachal Pradesh is a dialect I've never even heard of, and I would not have known about it had I not been to, say, it was 2012 in Mami when I was studying in SCM Sophia College, where one of our teachers was the DOP of that film.
Oh,
And her
nice.
film was screening Crossing Bridges, and it's a
Uh-huh.
film made in Sherdukpen language. I had never even
Heard of
heard about.
Yeah.
You know, so similarly, you know, it's the whole idea of a film festival is that two things: audiences get to watch films in different languages, and the filmmakers that come, they interact with each other and
Yeah.
form a larger community. you know,
100%.
Where you actually they get to know about other filmmakers,
Yeah.
their own journey, and then somehow where the journeys meet.
Yeah. It's the same
It's a
boat.
celebration,
It's
yeah.
a celebration. Yes, definitely. But there is this one thing you keep on hearing कि अरे ये तो festival वाली film है, and a lot of mainstream people dismiss the film. I think there was one very popular trailer which one semi-popular film which did really well at TIFF, but then they re-released a trailer over here where they said कि हमें वो festival का दाग भी हमसे हटाना है for the audience to accept it. So, what is this? Is it a specific kind of film which is only for film festival, as you said that these films usually don't get a release? What kind of a film gets into a festival? Because there is a certain aesthetic to each festival, or isn't it?
So, from whatever little I know, every festival will have a certain personality attached. You know, for example, Kashish Film Festival, it's primarily the idea is to highlight queer films.
Yeah.
And films made by queer filmmakers, but the whole overall theme is LGBT themed films. Similarly, you have different festivals having different themes. Even, you know, there are a lot of mainstream festivals who will have a theme of that particular year. You know, yes, first of all, the film has to be made well and it has to be engaging, and those are basic criteria of, you know, what a film
Yeah.
is. Like, technically, it has to be of a certain quality.
Yeah.
Right? Apart from that, the festival director or the artistic director rather decides that, okay, this year we are going to highlight these many aspects, and
Okay.
this is the theme of the festival. We are going to look at our submissions and we are going to look for films which are aligned to this particular
Sure.
you know, concept or idea, and then somehow they try to
Yeah.
curate a package accordingly.
Okay.
You know,
So so as a filmmaker,
Huh.
one needs to understand where he or she or will find their audience.
yes. Also, see, as a filmmaker, you're supposed to make the film you want to make.
100%. Yeah.
Yes, but then you also see, for example, if you have made a children's film, every festival may not be right for you.
Correct.
But you know, there are some festivals who are specifically looking for children films. You know, like for example, even at television, for example, some channels will only show a certain kind of thematically some programs. So similarly, you have to see where you would know your film best.
Huh.
Accordingly, you have to do your research and see where your film fits, and then accordingly approach and let people know that you have made a film. You know.
And what does it add when you get into a festival is of course the credibility, the community, but at the same time, do you also think that it changes the perspective of a layman?
I don't know. You know, as a
I mean,
film-
who's of course vaguely known to the film festival world.
You know what happens? The beauty of a film festival is I have seen so many filmmakers who have made maybe their first film, and then and they start traveling.
Yeah.
One festival, two festivals,
Yeah.
and then they are traveling with the film.
Yeah.
So that becomes a wonderful incentive for them.
Yeah.
That for example, say a village rock star, Reema Das's film.
Or Shah Rukh Khan right now with
Yeah.
Kayo Kayo Color.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. You make a film, or a Dostoji, for example. It's a
Yes.
very small, independently made Bengali film. Suddenly, it got discovered. It went to different festivals. It got a release in I think South Korea also, and in different countries. So that's the wonderful part
Yeah.
of if you have made a film that
Yeah.
clicks. And it travels and gets appreciated in one festival, another festival. You start traveling.
Yeah.
So I think I know a lot of filmmakers whose passports have gone out,
Ah,
because they've
nice,
been traveling with their
nice, nice.
one film, and they've traveled all over India and across
Yeah.
abroad. Yeah.
It's important to understand that you might find your audience of, as you said, like a small regional film in some other country and maybe not in India. And I think producers need to understand more to empower these films, because during Mami, when we met, I got to meet a lot of filmmakers, and from far away it feels like, "Arey, इन्हें क्या issue होगा?" But at the same, like when you speak to them, more or less we are sailing the same boat. The similar struggles, right?
Yeah, I mean, everybody will be. I see the process for everyone will be different.
Yeah.
But more or less, it's the same ecosystem you're part of. You know, so the more collaborators you find, the it becomes better. Because I know so many filmmakers who have met at a film festival because their first films were being played.
Yeah.
You know. And then I remember, for example, a Natesh Hegde who made Pedro, and Abhinandan who made The Cloud and the Man.
Yeah.
Manik Babur made.
Huh.
I think that's the English title.
Yeah, Cloud and a Man.
They became such good friends that Abhinandan designed the poster of Natesh's next film.
Oh, nice.
And this all comes out of the love and friendship.
Yeah.
And these are these relationships you build over time. And the best part is, you meet at one film festival, you go to another film market, and you meet the similar people. Then automatically, I know filmmakers who just jump to help you if you are in trouble.
Yeah.
And that community is very, very,
Very
important.
strong.
You know,
Definitely.
Which happened at Kala Ghoda.
Yes. Mami, Iffy, then Kala Ghoda.
Yes,
Met some same people, and it like always there to help.
Yes,
They don't need to, but it's always that companionship. You feel it, and sometimes you need that as an independent filmmaker. When you're the only one pulling your film, you're pulling all the strings you can, and then it's just like, I got your back, bro. Feels nice. Definitely.
You feel less lonely, because I remember the Dimensions Mumbai screenings at Mami, which again I was part of the team. I couldn't be a part of the screening because I was elsewhere handling other things. But when we showed the same package at Kala Ghoda, I remember there was a package of 15 films, and 12 filmmakers of that package came on stage, and I love the fact that when people started talking about how we are soundboards for each other, and somebody has written a script, somebody has done something, and they're collaborating. I just felt so proud to see all of you there,
Nice.
because yes, you all had made a 5-minute film for a specific competition for Mami, the Dimensions Mumbai. But then that's how you met. But now how you go forward is that you guys are not, the film is over. You all want to become filmmakers, and filmmaking you have taken filmmaking as a career option, right?
Correct.
So which means you'll be making films. So then yes, the journey becomes less and less I don't know, lonely if you have a
Hopefully.
certain
Hopefully. At least when it comes to films, life we can talk about later on, about life and loneliness. But just a little bit of context of what we were talking about is that this year when Jio Mami happened, there's a section called Dimensions Mumbai. We have to make a 5-minute short film. Theme is Mumbai. And over there, our film was selected called Should I Kill Myself or Have a Cup of Coffee? And he was curating the entire section.
Me and my
मेरी
other
film की
colleagues
तारीफ करो
and,
चलो.
Oh my God, you have to.
That immediate reaction looked fake, but I know it's genuine.
Oh God, you have to see the film to believe it, because I remember again, this is something I was part of the team, and we had got submissions, etc. And we were watching the submission, and there was a team of 3. 2 of my other colleagues, Charvi Pandya and Mohit, all 3 of us were watching the films, and I remember specifically your film. Everyone started, like, we were laughing throughout. We were in office and we were telling everybody else that we have seen a crazy film, because we were just couldn't believe that it was so subversive. You made fun of us. And you made fun of everyone, and because I remember the dialogues on the film, the dialogues were what we had written in the rules, and you had subverted the rules and regulations and said, made your protagonist say something crazy, and it was just so entertaining, and we were
I was
like,
so
this has to be-
surprised when I got the email from Mami
Yeah.
that the film is selected. I'm like, pretty cool people. Like, I'm sure they got what I was trying to do. But,
course.
and you guys are still pushing the film. Like, right now it got screened at TISS. And, yeah, Mami's taking Dimensions to different colleges. And that's a great.
See, the idea was to, as a festival, like I was telling, festival has different, ideologies and all. One of the main idea is also to promote young filmmakers.
Yeah.
And this was, again, this particular festival has this, Dimensions Movie has always been there for promoting films made by younger filmmaker in the age group of 18 to 25.
Yes.
Right, and there's so much talent in that
Yeah.
age bracket. And the ideas are so refreshing, and the quality of films are so, because everyone, it's not that you need to have a lot of money to produce
Yeah.
something amazing. People are making amazing stuff even with their phones these days.
100%.
And which you saw, the
100%.
whole package.
Yes, yes.
So, and that's the thing. It doesn't end with one festival only. When these things happen, when you're showing a certain package of a certain festival, and you collaborate with another institute or another festival,
Yeah.
when festivals come together and the same talent gets showcased, so many, it is also inspiring so many different people. Like, I know for a fact that next year when Mami does something similar, I'm sure a lot of young
Yeah.
filmmakers will be inspired to make new,
Definitely.
better films,
Definitely.
maybe.
100%.
Yeah.
So, I've been getting looks from them.
Huh.
Ki every time you get into a conversation with anyone, it goes in films, cinema, art, this.
Correct.
तो उससे थोड़ा बाहर आके
हाँ.
हम एक बबल जो इल्यूजन हम क्रिएट करते हैं स्क्रीन पे उससे थोड़ा बाहर आके लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लाइफ सो वन थिंग यू मेंशन्ड वाज होपफुली द लोनलीनेस गोज अवे in your filmmaking journey, right? And the next film I'm working on explores the idea of loneliness through an 8-year-old kid, right? And so I've been researching a lot about how loneliness has taken over. Like, US is saying it's an epidemic, and like, I don't remember the exact statistics, but more or less everybody feels lonely, right? Where do you how do you like? I'm assuming that you also feel lonely because you're a human being, right? How do you cope with it?
You have
Straight,
friends.
no transition. Just
How do you cope with loneliness? Is like, I mean, first of all, in a city like Bombay, there's very few, there's very little space to be lonely.
True.
Yeah, and also me, I have too many friends. Yeah, then
इसमें close up काटो.
too many
इसमें
friends. Like, sometimes it becomes difficult to meet
yeah,
anyone.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, no, but having said that, yeah, you sometimes you do feel lonely. It helps to have a support system like your. Who do you fall back on when you're lonely, right? Your family, your friends. A lot of people I know who are living alone in a city like Bombay. I also don't live with my family, but I do have a flatmate. I do have friends, neighbors, etc. So your work colleagues, you know. So
I mean, externally,
externally, yeah.
it helps to an extent,
Yeah.
but when it gets to your head, then what? Films help?
Tagore. Films do help, and so does Tagore.
Just checking all the stereotypes, no?
I said I'm a quintessential
No, but he is
Bengali.
great.
Yeah,
He's great.
I mean,
But
I
how?
listen to- You know the lyrics of some songs. I mean, that's maybe you put on your playlist and you're working, and the songs are playing in the back of your head. Suddenly, some line will come, and you're like, oh, okay, I never thought this line could mean this way. And it also depends on what journey you are going through at that point in life.
Yeah.
You'll see Tagore differently, and that's why I've become more close to him after pandemic, I
Yeah.
would say. And the more you grow, I'm seeing that I'm able to see different. I mean, the meanings change over time. Your own lived experiences help you understand Tagore more.
I think it evolves.
Yeah.
You evolve to understand it more better and better.
Yes.
If you had
yes,
to-
when you're lonely, Rabindra Sangeet, and your loneliness goes away. For me.
Okay, fair, fair. Do you have any specific recommendations? Like something people need to absolutely listen to?
listen to, I mean, see that the problem is it's in Bangla, right? Gitanjali, I would say, because that is, it's a translation, right? So then those who do not understand Bengali,
You can-
Gitanjali is a very good starting point. Those who understand Bengali, should just listen to, yeah.
Let's get into the other tick box, which is food, which you mentioned. Are you like, I've never seen you, see, whenever I've seen you now, I've seen you run around dressed like a diva, running around and always instructing someone or the other or talking to someone or the other. It's never like you're going from place A to place B. No, you're going from place A to B while instructing someone about C, D, E,
Not
diff.
instructing, maybe talking, maybe. Hi, hello, how are you? Because at film festivals, yeah, you meet filmmakers who are, till then, it's
Okay,
only
hi,
about
hello, yeah.
email IDs, right? For me, a lot of people are just email IDs and I'm only conversing with them through emails. And events are the only place where you actually see a person. So from A to B, you have to move. I'll meet 10 people who I have like written something and I know, okay, this DP looks familiar. And then there are a real person in front of me and I love people in general. So
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
always
I
automatically
could tell.
it's like
I could tell. But yeah, it's a skill. It's a skill. Does it come naturally?
it does because I'm genuinely interested in people. I'm like, for example, like I've met you, next time I meet you I'm interested in what you do as a person also, you know. And yeah, it comes naturally. Like I said, I have too many friends, that's I don't know how, but yeah,
And you managed to keep in touch. How?
it's a full-time job.
I think you're gonna lose some friends after this comes out. Oh no, are they too tight?
No, though, I mean, yeah. See, I am at a friend's house
Huh.
right currently.
Huh.
Look at this. I mean,
Who made us drink the absolutely best chai?
I'm wearing his clothes. I'm wearing, I don't know. I mean, half the time I look better when I'm wearing my friend's clothes. Huh? Because every time I'm like here, there,
Huh.
sleepover at some friend's house. Next day office जाना है, उसका कपड़ा पहन के चला गया. And my colleagues are like, hey, you look different today. You look better. I'm like, oh, I should start wearing others' clothes only.
Maybe not. But yes, again, where we were going was food.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me about it. Because
I love to eat. So and I love to cook and feed as well.
oh, okay.
So yeah, some of you here, oh no, you guys have not come home yet.
Why?
You guys are busy. We always meet at other cities. Mumbai में कहाँ मिलने को time
मुंबई में हाँ हम पहली बार एक बार वहाँ पे we just bumped into
रास्ते
each
में
other.
मिले थे,
हाँ, and then
randomly, yeah.
हाँ,
Because I'm always within the city. Also, I'm traveling from one venue to another,
yeah.
one film screening to
To
another
another.
screening, and I'll invariably bump into people who are just like, "Arey, what's up?"
A lot of
Yes.
friends, as you mentioned earlier. But
But food, yes, food plays a very important role.
because my relationship is not super personal, I'm okay with eating anything.
हाँ.
Like that. मतलब अच्छा खाना है तो of course appreciate करेंगे, but that intimate relationship, no,
हाँ.
is missing. I'm missing out on a lot.
We'll find out. No worries.
What? We sound so old. Like बेटा तुम्हें रास्ता मिल जाएगा. Can we just come back to films? Because I have a lot of questions. So we were just discussing is that when you're working in film festival, of course during the festival you get no time to watch anything.
Yeah.
But before that you have to watch a lot of things if you are working in a specific
If
position.
you're a programmer, for example, for the Kashish Film Festival that happens, the festival
This is also
usually
happening
happens-
soon, right?
It's happening in May.
Yeah.
15th to 19th May are the dates. So if a festival is happening in May, our job starts in November. We start watching submissions come in much earlier.
Yeah.
You know, some 3-4 months in advance. There's a team that will check the films and check for the eligibility, etc. If
Okay.
it fits all the rules, and then it goes to the programming team. You know, and then programmers, it's their job to watch films. And so depending on the number of submissions that come in, you always start watching in batches.
Yeah.
And then every 1 week or 2 week, every festival has a different kind of a rule, but more or less it's how festivals function across the world. Submissions coming, you watch the films and then you discuss. So it's never one person selecting films.
Yeah.
It's always like a board of like 4 or 5 people, 3 people, at least 3 people or more. And then discussions happen and it's more, it becomes a very, you know, programming is it's a very complex mix and match.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you have films which are quality-wise maybe the same, but you know, one is saying something. Some are complementing each other. Some are of the same, saying the same thing.
Got it.
You know,
Huh.
then when you watch so much, then you see patterns.
Hmm.
You know, and
That's what
then-
I wanted to get. Huh.
Yes, yes. And then depending on what the festival wants, whether, because it's not film criticism. A
Okay.
film has released, you go and watch a film, whether you like it or not, that's film, you critique a film, that's different.
Okay.
But when you're watching a film for a festival, it's very specific.
Okay.
Is this film good enough for our festival? Good enough in the sense, no, yeah, good enough in terms of not only quality or not, but do we want to show the film at this edition of the festival?
Yeah.
That's the main crux of selecting a film or not selecting a film. A film independently might be great, but it may not fit
Correct.
this year.
Yeah.
You know, and that's why. And also, I mean, festivals also have different logistical issues
Yeah.
and constraints, because maybe if there are like 3 screens and you can show only 3 films and there are 300 applications,
Yeah. You have to.
well, you have to choose.
Yeah, there are a lot of variables that play a
Lot of variables,
lot
yeah,
of
yeah,
variables. But do you, like, as you said, what are the fascinating things about your job? One, as you like touched upon, was you start finding patterns, right?
Yeah.
What are the other things that, of course, you get to watch a lot of cinema.
So you get to, you know, the most fascinating part is the topics. Some of the films just surprise you because you were not expecting something, you know, to happen like that. And you know, maybe we all watch films mostly in our computers, right? Alone.
Yeah.
Like you said, loneliness.
Yeah.
We sit at home and watch our films because these are not being projected anywhere.
Correct.
That is much later when the festival happens. But before that, the programmer, you sit at home, quietly watch your film, subtitles on speaker. Play. Some of the films we want to make you jump and like just go and tell the world that wow, what a film I have seen. You know, that is something that discovery.
Yeah.
And then when you have discussions and the sentiment is shared by all the other programmers, then you know that, you know, when you are showing the film, you know, for me, biggest, I feel so connected. Like I have nothing to do with the making of the film, right? But when the film travels, when the filmmaker goes and then the audience is giving them like a standing ovation and clapping, I feel so happy because I just feel somehow
Yeah.
happy for
Yeah,
the filmmaker.
yeah,
you
yeah.
know? That
And
I
I've
feel
genuinely seen that while you talk to the filmmakers as well. And I don't know if I've seen you. No, I have not seen you in any screening, but I'm sure you have seen it, and that happiness, in that shared happiness, no,
Yeah.
it genuinely comes across.
That's what the celebration is all about, right? Film festivals, and
Yeah.
we are celebrating that. So then, yeah.
Correct, correct.
And
Should we-
also, what discoveries is that so many languages. I had no idea about these dialects that the films. I didn't even know that these languages exist in India. That is one thing. Secondly, the filmmakers, for example, they are some of them have they make. I remember one filmmaker once said, you know, I work during the day and I make movies during weekends.
Oh.
You know, and that's a very
Yeah.
interesting thing to
Yeah,
see
yeah, yeah.
because he has a day job in I think it was in Bangalore. Mujir Pasha is a very famous. He's made a couple of very nice shots.
Okay.
And he's writing his feature also. I think Mujir once had told long ago at Kashish on the stage. He had said, you know, I make films during weekends, and now of course he's a full-time filmmaker.
Oh, lovely. Nice, nice, nice.
So those things like that, you know,
Yeah.
it's nice.
Should we talk about Kashish?
We
Are
can
you?
talk about also scripts. I remember for
थोड़ा
some
pause चल रहा है, time please. हाँ, you were saying.
we can talk about scripts also because I have worked for. I've not touched upon the scripting part of it where NFDC I used to handle the
Oh, lovely.
screenwriters lab
Huh,
and all.
huh. We can
And-
get
and,
into it.
For Kashish, I read scripts for the Q Drishti grant.
Which is happening this year as well, right?
Yes.
Huh, let's talk about that because that's very important. Like how that I have still not attended any edition. This time I will. Okay, ठीक है. Back into camera mode. Okay, so the other thing which you mentioned 20 seconds ago is that you also work with scripts in terms of grants.
No, so what happened was I was working for NFDC Film Bazaar. So I've worked with NFDC as an organization for around 7 editions of
Yeah.
Film Bazaar I have done, and I was part of the organization for quite some time. And Screenwriters Lab is one part I used to handle.
Oh, nice.
So I've worked with scripts very closely, where I used to, again, I was the coordinator looking into the submissions, etc. But I was also in the room when scripts were being discussed. So I've seen the journey of, say, a film like Fire in the Mountains.
Yeah.
I've
Beautiful.
seen it when it was a script.
Oh, lovely.
And I know how Ajit Pal, how much effort he had, and all the others of,
Yeah.
that gang that year. Siddharth Jatla's, In the Belly of the Tiger, which went to Berlin this year. That also, I think, was the same year the script was
Fire
there.
in the-
So,
okay.
you know what, in a script lab, what happens is, again, scripts do come in, and only 6 or 8 scripts get selected. But the whole rigor of, you meet and the mentors, it's amazing to see how mentors view a film and how a script gets developed through the course of time. That's very interesting, and that is a very big high when the script ultimately
finally-
gets made,
yeah.
and then the film also gets appreciated.
Yeah.
So that is something very, very
Nice.
nice. For Kashish, again, it's they have a program called the Q Drishti Grant, which is primarily for all young queer filmmakers who have a short film script.
Okay.
They can submit, and then one person gets a grant and also mentorship. But I
Okay.
think the two others, I mean, they have top 3 prizes or something, and all 3 of them somehow or the other get mentored. I always tell young filmmakers to apply to as many platforms as possible. Platforms like these, for example, a script lab or some kind of a grant, because you never know who is reading the scripts. But if a reader likes your script, they go out of their way to help you,
Yeah.
which I have seen.
Yeah.
You may not win that year, but at least you get a chance to pitch your project to, say, 5 mentors, right? So similarly different, I'm sure there are lots of labs that happen abroad as well.
Yeah.
A lot of film school students, they do apply, and I've told, they do apply, and they also have their own network, because some of their seniors may have got a grant, or like a Hubbard's Ball fund.
Yeah.
So many Indian filmmakers have got
Yes,
it.
yes.
And which is so amazing, and it's very prestigious as well. You should, and getting in touch with your senior is not at all difficult. Everybody has social media, everybody is well connected.
Yeah.
And they are more than happy to help each other. Like, if you are a filmmaker who's struggling and maybe have written something and don't know what to do, reach out to other filmmakers. They will help.
Yeah.
And what do you call it? Platforms like these only help you getting more visibility. Because again, like I said, you all are like chosen filmmaking as a
Career, yeah.
So you have to
Explore all the
possibilities, which
100%.
happens a lot. I've seen in different countries. In Bangladesh, for example, I know, thanks to Film Bazaar, I met a couple of Bangladeshi filmmakers, and when I was also very young, like 10 years ago, I was like just about entering the scene, and so many of the filmmakers had come with their first film. Now they are like they're producing such wonderful films.
Yeah.
And they all have seen all young filmmakers, and they have formed their own group, and they're always helping each other. FTI, I also have seen something amazing where the students, for example, their classmates, right, or the direction students and the acting students, etc., etc. A director is editing his friend's film.
Yeah.
And I remember we were showing a short film package at Kalagoda earlier this year, and there was a short film package from FTII. You see one directed by so and so, and the next film is like sound done by the same director.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, so
Yeah,
they're
yeah,
all
yeah.
like
Nice.
classmates and helping each other out, which is so amazing. And they are all producing such wonderful films which are traveling so much. So that's again
One thing is there when you're working so closely with films, talking about films so passionately, working with filmmakers. So one thing is implied that you love films. Right? Did never occur to you that you, or maybe that's the plan, that you want to make films?
No, I think people should stop making films. There are way too many to watch. देखने
Just
बस करो
casually.
अभी.
अभी शुरू भी नहीं हुआ career. It's like बंद करो यार अभी. बस करो अभी.
मतलब कितना ना, so much being made. That's what I'm saying. I wish I could watch more films. That is something. I mean, it takes a certain rigor to wake up every day and watch films diligently. I really wish I had some filmmakers do, some curators do. Like Asim Chabra puts out a lovely, year ender where he has seen every day he has seen one film, and it's his list goes beyond 365. It's around some 380 films or something, and which is so wonderful.
Yeah.
And there are so many film programmers, who have been doing this forever. We have Uma Dakuna, who's
Yeah.
90 now, I think,
Yeah.
who's been one of the earlier champions. You have Deepthi Dakuna, who's the artistic director of Mami
Yes,
now.
yes.
I've worked with her very closely. They watch films like crazy. I watch films that, again, I'm assigned to watch because I'm working for a film festival. I get few films to watch, I watch those. Apart from that, when in my free time I want to watch some nice web series, well-made ones, like something, or maybe I should just want to chill.
But what does it take away from your viewing experience now? Because you have seen so much as a part of your job, work as well. So then when you just go out to chill and watch a film,
No, it's a very different
Still buy it?
experience. Yeah, totally. Like, I wish I want to go and watch films more in the theater. That's again, that has reduced for various reasons, the timing, match, but yeah, I love the theater watching experience. Like I said, what happens to uh, coordinate with friends to watch a film also is a task these days. Like
you can
everybody-
coordinate an entire festival,
हाँ.
but 5 friends you can't coordinate.
क्योंकि वो ना ये काम पे है, वो है ये वो नहीं होता ही नहीं है. Like, yeah.
But nothing shifts in the perspective the way, because for example when you're studying films,
I think
वो
initially
you
it
start-
does this when you are really working, मतलब when you are doing film studies and all, when your teacher
हाँ.
tells you ये cut this cut that, then you're only looking for,
for
those
that.
things. After a point, then all
Bye.
that becomes,
You
the part of the whole
it
process.
becomes like a muscle memory of reading a film.
I think a well-made film and engaging film will suck you in immediately. If not, then the flaws start showing. Na? Then you are like zoning out because अरे क्या हो रहा है, and then you will.
Are you difficult to please with a film?
No, I mean, see a strong film like your film. It just stood out.
We didn't pay him, huh?
No, like for example, we watched and we started laughing.
Huh.
So a well-made film stands out on its own, and when you're watching three films, like that happens to anybody, right? You're watching a series and you everybody says, na, दो film के ये this episode is so boring, the previous one was
Yeah.
better. So in a way you're comparing, right? So while watching, when you're watching, again I'm an optimist. While the film begins, I'm eternally hopeful that it is something nice I'm going to discover.
Yeah.
And yeah, and it ultimately a great film. It just shows like you feel happy after watching a good film.
Yeah,
You want to
definitely.
tell everybody else,
Yeah.
"Yari, I've watched such a great film. I watched." Which is again all
Just
of us.
yeah. And it sometimes the film might be dark as fuck, but it just takes you that world and that the way the filmmaker took me through this journey.
Yeah.
And then you're like, huh, but log, like for example, Mami 2019, if I'm not wrong, Deer Skin was a film. Whole theater was full, and the man in the film is killing people with chainsaw. Okay, he's like drilling people, and people are laughing their ass out. And I'm like, fuck, what beautiful craft.
Midsommar, I remember I was at Regal Cinema, Midsommar. I went mad looking at what is this? Because it started somewhere, it went somewhere,
Yeah.
people falling off, and I'm like,
Yeah.
but everybody else, then you may like something, you may not like something, but that whole collective experience of, then you'll come and you may not agree with a film at a film festival. So that also happens so many times. You can't please everyone,
Yeah.
right? So then some people will say, "Arey, but this is what rubbish was this," and then you start discussing, and then those conversations are also very important.
Yeah, definitely.
So that is a different kind of just to have that space,
Yeah.
which happened at Dharamshala Film Festival, right? That was just
Super
amazing. You
beautiful.
watch a film, you come out and you talk. Where we screened Joyland, and I think that was the first one of my favorite
Best.
experiences.
Yeah, same.
Where the whole world started crying
Yeah.
and hugging, and people were just hugging each other,
Yeah.
and just people were coming to me and saying thank you for showing, and I'm
Yeah.
like, yeah, whatever. Like I couldn't.
You
I
showed it
couldn't-
twice, right? Over there?
We had to, because I remember that year, because of space constraints, we couldn't accommodate so many people, and the authorities, the festival team,
Yeah.
they made sure they put in
Thank
Gadda's
God you
in,
did, because then I got to see it
yes,
for the when it played for the second time. But what a beautiful film, mind blowing. But बहुत interview type का सवाल आ रहा है कि where do you see
रुक ना
yourself?
तू, मैं तेरे को पूछूंगा ना अभी
पूछो.
कर ले oops.
नहीं, मैं बस ऐसे ही पूछ रहा था कि क्या हुआ?
कि तू क्या कर रहा है लाइफ में? तेरी तो फिल्म बन गई, एक बना ली 5 मिनट वाली, अब क्या करेगा? वो मैं आऊंगा, तू एनीवे बट यू स्टार्ट.
मैं यार ये तो हाँ, मैंने शुरुआत में बोल तो दिया कि तुम भी पूछ लेना, बट आई वाज नॉट रेडी. बट मैं ये कह रहा था कि ये वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ इन द नेक्स्ट 10 years? See, I told you, एकदम इंटरव्यू टाइप क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ 10 साल में मुझे पता नहीं 10 घंटे बाद मैं किधर रहूंगा. I'll be somewhere.
बट स्टिल एस्पिरेशन कुछ नहीं, चिल.
Now तो okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, I put up.
I'm not on Instagram.
Oh great, your friends are. They have
Yeah.
seen food. I put up a story saying हो गया film festival, हो गया काम, I'll retire, I'll make, because our dear friend जिसके घर पे हम हैं,
हाँ.
he tells me, अब तू काम छोड़ दे, तू बस ये मटन का ठेला लगा, because you cook mutton well.
Oh.
And on Holi, some of these friends said, "Yo, let's cook. You have to cook," and I cooked, and it turned out to be very good. So then I said, "Oh yeah, I think I should just retire." 10 साल बाद, yeah, I just want to. I don't know. 10 years is too long.
Too long? For
10 years ago, I didn't know I would be here watching films. You know, so.
हाँ. Or where did it start? It just one event
for
after
example,
another.
No. For example, I started working for Kashish
हाँ.
as a volunteer.
हाँ.
Then I joined Film Companion with Anu
हाँ.
Chopra. That was
हाँ.
one of my first jobs, and I was there for a year. And that was I volunteered for Mami while working for Film Companion.
Oh, nice.
That year,
This was
with-
20.
2014. Many
Oh.
years ago, yeah. And then I got a job with Film Bazaar, and I did that for 7 years. And
Yeah.
in between, I kept working for Kashish and freelancing for different places. That's how it began. Kashish, I mean, Sridhar Rangayan, the festival director, one of the coolest festival directors ever. He was the first person to tell me, ki, would you like to watch films for us?
हाँ.
And I'm like, I have never done this before. But he said,
Huh.
you watch films,
हाँ.
you watch for us also. And then, then when I started watching, when we
It
were
sounds,
discussing, yeah.
when you are not associated with films,
Correct.
it sounds like a very off statement, na? Would you like to watch films for us? मतलब तू आओ film देखो, पर हमारे लिए देखो.
That's what I mean. That the whole difference is we all watch films.
Yeah.
But when you're watching for someone,
Yeah.
it's different, and it's not about. I mean, let's also many people say, "Acha, your job is to watch films."
हाँ.
But that's not the only job. You know, that's the lowest hanging fruit. Maybe I mean that's one of the many things you do. That's one of the many things you do while working for a film festival is to
Yeah.
watch films.
Yeah.
Apart from that, you have to get the films also. You have to make sure you have to have those kind of connections to see newer films being made. How do you get the films? Right, there's a whole outreach program that festival.
फिल्म बनाने से तो आपने मना कर दिया. अब कहाँ से
इसीलिए
आएगी
तो
फिल्म कि बहुत आ रही है.
बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है.
Also sorry for the construction sound. हम मुंबई में हैं और मुंबई पूरा अंडरग्राउंड है ना, रोड्स ही नहीं है.
हम मुंबई से भी बाहर हैं.
हाँ, technically yes, but
Will kill me.
what
We
is
are in
wrong
Mira
with
Road.
what is wrong with Mumbai? That day 2 kilometers took me 40 minutes to reach, and I was playing like हम लोग गेम खेल रहे थे मैं और रिक्शा वाला कि सर यहाँ पे रोड होगा क्या, चलो जाके देखते. अच्छा नहीं है, यू टर्न यहाँ पे जाके देखते. Anyway, but
Hopefully things will get better soon.
optimistic you are.
बूढ़े हो गए ना, अभी तो जवानी तो गई हमारी, ऐसे लग रहा है. और
नहीं,
भी
नहीं.
जो भी बची कुची है तब तक आई होप द रोड्स विल बिकम बेटर, द मेट्रोस विल स्टार्ट.
I'm a cynic. मेरे को नहीं लगता.
नहीं लगता.
बहुत वक्त लगेगा अभी. But anything else you wanted to talk about, which I've been asking you, and you've been pretending
I
to
want
think.
to talk about you.
Why did
तू
it
अब
feel?
बता, where is your script? How many drafts have you written? You तो said कि मैंने मतलब 5 मिनट वाला तो बना लिया. अब
हाँ.
क्या 50
अरे मैं मेरी
Half an
फीचर के
hour.
साथ स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
जो बन चुकी है,
हाँ.
जो रेडी है.
Oh,
अब उसको कैसे कहाँ ले जाए, शून्य नाम है फिल्म का, तो वो चल रहा है.
that's amazing. Like congratulations.
Thank you,
firstly.
thanks.
It's a huge. I mean, yeah, yes. No, because you have to understand. I have so much. Of course, I jokingly said stop making films because it's hard work, and I can't even imagine what filmmakers wake up and think and end up making a film and go through the grind. It's killer. Like it kills you, right?
It does.
I know.
Every day.
Yeah, I'm to the.
But there's something
I'm the
about-
unpaid therapist. I get to hear, I get calls and saying,
Oh,
what is happening?
yeah.
I'm like, mat suna, please. And yeah.
You get
I've
law.
heard.
You might. I'm sure.
Everybody is depressed. I've scolded so many filmmakers.
But the scene is. You have.
I have scolded them ki like, tu calm kar, just focus. Yeah. all
But the
that
whole
I've done.
scene is the way things are functioning. No,
You
gets a little depressing.
That's why you need to have a system.
Oh, bro.
No.
In your
you
life.
need to have each other. You need to have each other who can actually, when you are going through a tough time.
बट उसमें क्या है पॉजिटिव बंदा भी चाहिए ना कोई हम सारे ही सिनिक जब साथ में बैठ जाए कि ये भी खराब है वो भी खराब है तो देयर इज नो सोल्यूशन टू इट दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड यू नीड ऑब्रो हु इज होपफुल दैट मुंबई में रोड्स बन जाएंगे नोबडी इज होपफुल
और फिल्में भी बन जाएंगी.
फिल्में यू सेड
मत बनाओ यार, बहुत है.
अभी मैं तो दैट्स व्हाई आई स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग यू वांटेड टू आस्क मी ना व्हाट आई एम डूइंग
Stop
नथिंग
working.
no so basically ये
alternate options, cooking.
cooking I have to learn I can't cook it's therapeutic I've heard
पैंडेमिक में तो सब शेफ बन गए थे.
मैं फैमिली के साथ रहता हूँ ना बट मैं हेल्प आउट करना शुरू किया मैंने एंड देन आई रियलाइज इट्स सच अ टास्क एंड आई वाज लाइक मेरी मॉम कैसे पैर में और बहन के पैरों में पड़ गया हाउ आर यू गाइस डूइंग दिस एवरी डे सो देन आई जस्ट स्टॉप बीइंग सैसी अबाउट फूड आई वाज लाइक जो बनेगा वो खा लेंगे and that's the least I can
That happens the moment you leave your home,
हाँ.
start living alone, na? Then all the nakhra goes.
Yeah,
That happened with me like some 10-15 years ago when I started living alone.
हाँ.
Before that, I may have been
May
fussy about food, and now
अभी भी acceptance नहीं है
I eat everything. Whatever I get anywhere, I don't waste food.
yeah
I eat everything.
like a good boy like I eat everything yeah.
Yeah.
So, what do you think where this film industry is going? Just very random.
Who cares where it's going? I'm here only. Like you are here, I'm here. We'll watch whatever comes. जैसे बोला ना, जो
This is why when I made the first list of the people we have to get on this podcast now, I wrote Obro. For this only. Let's
See, like I said, जो भी खाना आ रहा है खाते ना चुपचाप.
हाँ.
जो भी फिल्म आ रहा है, I'll watch. What
हाँ.
to do. But I hope that
कि हाँ.
जो शेफ है वो अच्छा खाना बनाएगा. So I hope जो फिल्म बना रहा है अच्छा फिल्म बनाएगा.
हाँ.
बनाएगी.
बट ये जो सैचुरेशन हो गया है जैसे एक चीज़ है कि येस OTT ऑन अ डिफरेंट लेवल बट ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया एंड इक्विपमेंट गेटिंग चीपर कंपैरेटिवली फिल्म इज बिकमिंग मतलब डेमोक्रेटिक हो गई है सब बना सकते हैं
But how you use that is very important, no? Like even see
That's
the
what-
reels, even some of the reels or 30-second reels are so engaging.
Yeah.
And that's talent, right?
Yeah.
You can get anything you want, all the best equipments in the world, and still make a bad film. Or
That's what-
completely
that's
not,
what.
yeah, you know, or you may have nothing, just a phone camera or just with slideshow presentation. That the other day I watched a film which was like just a presentation, but the way it was done, like a PPT presentation with good sound, so engaging. You watch the whole
nice.
thing, you know.
Yeah.
So you know there are these,
Something like 24 frames back.
I
Like
have not seen that. film.
Kiarostami. It's just 24 static frames.
Yeah.
Some animation has been done
I
and
wanted to watch the
very
film
beautiful.
again.
Yeah. But nice. But this experimentation usually takes a lot from the filmmaker because everybody is like, "Actually, क्या है? कौन देखेगा ये?" So many rejections यार, you have to face. And you're like, हाँ मैं अचानक sad. You started this कि बताओ लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. मैं मेरी लाइफ में चला गया. अच्छा खासा conversation चल रहा था. So लाइट जा रही है.
But hello, you're doing this podcast and you're doing it for a while, so that's
Yes.
amazing. This is the first time ever anybody has invited me to come and talk for any podcast. which is so nice.
I'm
Thank
still
you.
surprised why. Like, how can you love people? You're great at having conversations. Major part of your job is also to
We all,
manage
so
people.
because we all talk all the time without the camera.
Maybe.
तो ये-
But मेरे दिमाग में बहुत पहले से था. Because first is the positivity. That's why I said Obro चाहिए life में. वरना ये filmmaking can cripple you. But I hope you had fun. And before you ask me more questions, I think we should wrap this up क्योंकि लाइट जा रही है. मैं आंसर कर सकता हूँ ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. But did you have fun?
I had great fun.
Yeah?
Yes, of course.
Should they like, share and subscribe?
Yes.
हर
We
हर
didn't talk
बार
about the Film Critics Guild part at all. Damn.
तो इसको कट करके एंड में लगा देंगे. उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. थोड़ी लाइट है. चालवा दो. ठीक है. तो उसके बारे में बात करते हैं.
हाँ.
कंटिन्यू चाहिए. how do we start?
Huh.
I'll start. The last thing you did was Critics' Choice Awards.
Oh yes, that was a fantastic experience. So I work for the
Good
Film
actor.
Critics Guild.
Good actor you are. What the context is we won't reveal the context. But yeah, so the last thing you did was that.
In your second film, I'll
करते हैं कुछ.
come. Yeah.
Yes.
Done.
हाँ.
So So I work for the Film Critics. Again, I'm not a film critic. There's a lot of back end stuff that happens. So Film Critics Guild is it's a non-profit, and it's a collective of 50 film critics from all over India.
Okay.
And from across, some people are into print and digital, and a lot of people are doing it online. And the chairperson, Anupama Chopra, is the chairperson, and we have lots of film critics like Bharadwaj Rangan and Sucharita Tyagi and Rahul Desai and Bhavna Somaya and many others, 50 of them. They have formed this guild, and once a year, what happens is they give away awards to web series, short films, feature films, and we have curators. From them within the critics, they have curators. The call for entry happens for short films, and for features and web series, anything that gets a theatrical release or drops on OTT are automatically eligible, and then they watch everything because every month they're reviewing, right? So they keep track of films. Some films which are we know that has had limited release in a particular, like, for example, Tora's husband, Reema's film, had a small release in Assam.
Yeah.
It was eligible. Then we asked Reema.
It had a small release in Bombay as well, right?
Bombay as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So then films like those, we reach out to them, ask for screener links.
Okay.
And then when the curation process happens, it's a rigorous process, at least more than 3 months it takes. And then we have nominations, and then once the nominations are logged, all the 50 film critics, they watch those films and vote.
Yeah.
And then that's when the award show happens and they give away these awards. This year's awards, I think they are going to, the results are out.
Yeah.
It's on the FCG Instagram handle. It's going to stream on Hotstar soon.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, it's great fun working with film critics where I'm not reviewing or them, but just to help facilitate this, just letting them know about the films that are releasing it. It's fun.
There goes a lot behind. This is also behind films, right? Behind the camera, then plus this. Okay, so in conclusion, that there are so many things about films, how films can reach out to people, how scripts can reach out to people, for filmmakers and at the same time audiences, maybe to an extent to producers, that there are different avenues that one can pursue, is what we learned in today's lesson with Obro Das. Lesson, no, it's just kidding. पर ये थे हमारे आज के 4 विचार, है ना? I hope you had fun, and I would want to do another episode with you where we strictly don't talk about anything related to films, and we get real. I mean,
I will dance to Robindra Sangeet. Next episode.
You done. You've said it on camera.
कैमरा बंद होगा तो मैं शुरू भी हो जाऊंगा डांस करना.
पर अगली बार का क्यों वेट करें हम?
प्रैक्टिस करना है.
Done. ये अभी ऑनलाइन अभी ये कैमरा पे कमिटमेंट हो गया है, but I had
come for my performance April में my dance school. There's a Tagore School of Dance and
wait, what, you actually dance?
I do.
I didn't know. I was like, you was kidding. Oh fuck. Before ये second wrap up को भी हम बाद में edit करके डाल देंगे. What is this? ये हमने इसके बारे में क्यों नहीं बात की?
Well, so
okay, Obro, films aside.
Yes.
Tell me something other than films that happens in your life. Like, you are not allowed to even vaguely touch films.
Okay. Okay. So then I'll skip the voiceover part.
Acha, you do voiceovers as well? Okay.
That's for your next. Let me become one then. I got selected for one of the voiceover programs by Netflix. They just did
lovely.
Commune. That's fun. But let something happen now. Wahan pe to I got, it was a training program, which is fun. Apart from films, so I like to dance, and like I said, Tagore. So Tagore has a certain style of, Shantiniketan Gharana of dance. And again, I'm not a dancer. I've never danced in my life, but because I like Tagore songs so much, and it just happened during the pandemic, I got to know that I came closer to Tagore, listening to songs, etc. But a friend of mine had her friend, a friend of friend, had a school. I had no idea that the person has a. I'll just take that again. So, a friend of mine, she has she runs a school that's called Shahana's Tagore Center for Dance and Arts. I got the name of the school wrong. They're going to kill me. I'll just say it.
You know we're not gonna edit this out, no? Do you know?
I will give you the points to it.
No, I'm saying I love this. It's so fun. But again, so.
So, a friend of mine has a school. It's called Shahana. Shahana, it's a Tagore School of Art and Culture and Dance. And
Is this in Bombay?
It's in Bombay. It's been 49 years. Next year is going to be the 50th year
lovely.
of the school, and I had no idea about it. Very recently, I got to know. In sense, 2021, I learned that about this, and so there are two dance teachers. One is Anushree Banerjee, who teaches a Bharatanatyam style mostly, and Purvita Mukherjee, who teaches the Manipuri style. And it's not pure Bharatanatyam or pure Manipuri. There are these. It's a derived form. It's Rabindra Nritya, which is Tagore's Gharana, Shantiniketan Gharana of dance. And I just started learning during the pandemic because we were sitting at home doing nothing, right? And I was interested in Tagore. So I thought maybe this is a good way of expressing, you know, just to learn for myself. But they were so sweet. They were very encouraged. They were very encouraging. And twice a year, the school has performances.
Oh, lovely.
So we were made to go on stage.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, I did go on
So
stage.
another one is happening right now in.
So it happens, 15th April is our Bengali New Year. So around, and Tagore's birth anniversary is around May 7th or 9th. May depends on the Pochishe Boishakh, 25th Baisakh. So that depends. So between April and May, so once around that time, our dance school has a program. This year it's going to be on 21st April.
Okay.
In Juhu.
Oh, nice.
And I'm going to perform.
Yay.
The opening dance.
Yeah.
It's a group dance.
Oh, nice. If you want to watch Obro perform, then
come to
please,
Juhu, come. Yeah.
please come. Do we have to like register somewhere?
No, it's just land up.
Just land up. Lovely. And he has also promised this performance will come and appreciate.
Yeah.
But you have also promised the next episode you're gonna dance, right?
I'll dance for you today only, but
On camera for the.
on camera practice करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ तो प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद ना अगले एपिसोड में करेंगे बट ये कमिटमेंट है तो फॉर दैट दे नीड टू देखो मुझे ना अभी इन लोगों ने बताया कि अभी इसको मैं ले जाऊंगा कि वो देखने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा लाइक
share and subscribe. Bell icon दबाएं.
Can we do this in Bengali? Because in the morning we did it in Marathi. Previous episode we did it in Gujarati. ठीक है? तेरा point फिर भी defeat हो रहा है, but मेरे को बंगाली में. You do it. So if you wanna watch me.
You can repeat also.
You say I'll translate.
I'll learn Bengali right now.
Bangla, अच्छा.
Okay, I'll try.
Follow,
She is trying to teach me. I'll try
কি
once.
করছো ভালো করে শেখাও বকছো না তুমি ওকে
You are not doing a good job. He's not saying anything.
मतलब डांट नहीं रहे हो तुम उसको
हाँ अरे back to say it.
যদি এই কনভারসেশনটা ভালো লেগেছে আরো এরকম নেই
एक एक शब्द भाई मैं
Oh, you want to repeat? Oh, I forgot. I thought I have to say the whole line.
This is the funniest episode. I love this. हाँ okay I'll try.
What is the line?
Please like, share and subscribe. इतना करते हैं.
A like, share and subscribe in Bangla is also like, share and subscribe only.
So teach me something else, no?
What you want to learn?
If you want me, if you wanna watch me dance on the next episode, please like, share and subscribe. What, you couldn't translate? It's too complex.
Why?
It sounded wrong.
No, but if you want to नहीं যদি আপনারা what is the name again?
जोधी अपना चार विचार.
Sorry.
Wow.
I told you Vidar, I'm bad with names. I don't remember names. যদি আপনারা চার বিচার দেখতে চান আর আরো ভালো ভালো কথাবার্তা শুনতে চান তাহলে লাইক শেয়ার সাবস্ক্রাইব আরো কি কি করতে হয় করুন হ্যাঁ
Correct. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Nice. It was so fun. was so fun. મજા આવી.
મજા આવી?
હવે તને બેસવું છે?
ના. ખાલી
લાઈટ ખતમ થઈ ગઈ છે.
Yes.
What did you say in the end?
I have no idea. I have to translate that. If you want to, क्या बोला मैंने? You know Bangla, ना? You translate. हाँ, you subtitle करेगी.
Like if you want to watch and you like this kind of stuff, then like
Yeah.
share and subscribe.
Same, yeah.
I was supposed to repeat. He started saying. I was like,
આ નહીં થાય.
because the pronunciation seemed difficult to catch on to.